guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my house right here. I would like to give a shout out to the YouTuber who showed me how to build this house. The link is down below. Watch his YouTube videos, they're just amazing. He helped me build this house. Just check it out, it's awesome. It's awesome. Anyways, here's the completed house. Yeah, I think he already gave a tour in his YouTube video, but I'm just gonna give it a tour to mine because that's kind of what I want to do. Stupid bats. Anyways, yeah, let me just turn on the lights because it's dark in here and there needs to be some light. So let's just. Okay, this is a big garage. This is supposed to be a garage. Nice and big. And then over here, let me just go over here. Okay, I guess the bats will just hang out here. They're gonna chill. Over here we have the windows. Here is, what do you call it? A chimney. This is a chimney. And yeah, here's the outside of my house. The thing right here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, some nice flowers, and yeah, let's get inside now. Open here. I put some lanterns to make it bright. Here we go, you turn around. Here you could like put a nice kitchen. Earlier I put a TV but I deleted it all just to show you how much space there is. Upstairs, this is what it looks like upstairs, and here just a big shelf with some more upstairs. This is where my bedroom's gonna be. Voila. I look out, and there's some nice plants. I can see a beautiful view of plain flatness. Yeah, so let's jump off. Okay. Yeah, so here is the house tour. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate that. Sorry the video is so short, 2 minutes and 57 seconds. Sorry about that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios.